One weekend, friends Lily, Jake, and Emma went to Adventureland, the biggest amusement park in town. They had heard all about the amazing rides and couldn't wait to explore the park together. As soon as they arrived, the first ride they spotted was the Super Sky Coaster, a huge roller coaster that soared high into the sky with twists and turns. Jake was a little nervous, but with Lily and Emma by his side, he gathered his courage, and they all rode the coaster together. It was fast and thrilling, and by the end, they were all laughing and excited for more. Next, they tried the Water Rapids ride, where they climbed into a raft and sped down a winding river filled with splashes and sprays. Emma got soaked, but she didn't mind because it was so much fun. After that, they headed to the bumper cars, where they spent time bumping and dodging each other, laughing the whole way through. The highlight of the day was the Adventure Tower, a tall, spiraling ride that gave them a bird's-eye view of the entire park. From the top, they could see all the rides they'd been on and spotted the perfect place for a picnic afterward. As the day came to an end, the friends felt tired but happy. They had braved the roller coasters, raced in the bumper cars, and experienced all the thrills Adventureland had to offer. Most importantly, they had a blast spending the day together, enjoying every ride and adventure.